Hello, this is your instructor, Mendel. Take a listen as we enter the first scene in the classic film Jaws, filmed in 1975. In this lesson, we're going to be differentiating between diegetic and non-diegetic sound. Before we even see the opening shot, we're hearing the sounds of the film. I want you to ask yourself if this is diegetic or non-diegetic sound. We're given a soundscape that we probably wouldn't hear if we were under the sea. That makes this non-diegetic sound. This is a soundscape that we wouldn't hear if we were in the scene ourselves. Okay, so we were just given a dramatic scene change. Take a listen. Is this diegetic or non-diegetic sound? So you can hear that all of the sound that is provided for us in this scene is coming from the world of the film itself. That makes this diegetic sound. The laughter, the people's voices, the music that is even being played in the scene.
What's your name again?
Chrissy,
Where are we going?
swimming!
Slow up! Slow down! I'm not drunk! Slow down! Wait! I'm coming! I'm coming! I'm definitely coming! Whoa! Hold up! What? I can swim! Just can't walk or dress myself.
Come on in the water!
Take it easy.
Here we are beneath the ocean again, and we're confronted with non-diegetic sound, not unlike what we heard prior to the opening shot. What is the filmmaker trying to tell us with non-diegetic sound about what is happening beneath the surface of the water? Notice the clear juxtaposition of the audio when they're at the shore and when they're in the water. This is designed to tell us that we should be scared of something in the ocean. The non-diegetic sound is giving us information about the narrative, something that we should be aware of. In some ways, it's telling us how to feel. The audio is telling us the shore is a much more peaceful place to be. Notice the differences between diegetic and non-diegetic sound in the opening of this film.
With local fishing reported good and many boat rental yards open